Namaste everyone. Today let's have some fun with ragas. Let us try to find how many ragas we can remember. Shall we start?
Yes. Abheri,
Shankarabharana,
Begada,
Kapi,
Hindola,
Ranjani,
Saveri,
Mohana,
Sahana,
Sama,
Kiravani,
Kalyani,
Charukesi,
Todi,
Kuranji,
Varali, Varali,
Natakuranji,
Todi. Oh, that's repeated. Kuntala Varali,
Nata,
Bhairavi,
Gambhira Nata,
Ananda Bhairavi,
Pantuvarali,
Sindhu Bhairavi,
Gamaka Kriya,
Punnagavarali,
Hamsadhvani,
Lalita,
Kedara,
Desh,
Kamboji,
Kanakangi,
Harikamboji,
Ratnangi,
Yadukula Kamboji,
Latangi,
Amritavashini,
Kamala Manohari,
Darbar,
Vasanta,
Dhanyasi,
Kadara Kutuhala,
Jayantashri,
Bahudhari,
Saveri,
Bilahari,
Shuddha Pantuvarali. No, Shubha Pantuvarali.
Yeah, Kannada,
Mayamala Gaula.
Jaganmohini,
Arabhi.
Abhogi,
Gaula.
Manoranjani,
Sri.
Riti Gaula,
Madhyamavati.
Brindavana Saranga.
Abhogi.
That's repeated.
Oh, is it? Kannada.
Even that's repeated.
Oh.
Kamas.
Oh, Kamas, yeah. Kannada?
Yeah, Kannada. Okay, my last one is Sahana.
Oh, I got one more. Vrindavana Saranga. Oh, this is very fun, right? We had a great time.
Namaste.